Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jazz. I create all things motherhood, lifestyle, and food because I am a big foodie. If those things sound interesting to you, then make sure you subscribe so that I can continue to make more content. I am just a stay-at-home mom, and I love to show my experiences, and I love to connect with other people. So make sure to press the subscribe button. Today we are back with another Home Chef meal. If you guys don't know what Home Chef is, it is a home delivery kit service. So they make it really easy for you to come up with meals every single week because they already do all the planning for you. You just have to go on to their app or log on. You pick 3, 4, or 5 meals that you want and for how many people are going to be eating. And they will send over the recipes and they will send you all of the ingredients. So if you want to cut down your time at the grocery store, if you want to try new foods, this is perfect place to be experimental and to try versatility and new things because there are some really fun things on here, and you will know that, wow, I never even realized that I would like this kind of seasoning, or I never knew that you could cook this type of vegetable this kind of way. So it definitely does open up your eyes to just food cuisine, like, for sure, because I know that with being a stay-at-home mom and just being, I feel like, a mother in general, it's very hard to just keep coming up with the same thing. It can seem very repetitive. So with having Home Chef, it does make it a little bit easier, and it is fun because you actually enjoy what you're cooking, and it's something that you've never made before, or it's a certain way that you've never made it paired with other things. So we get ours 3 times a week, and we get it for 4 people. The good thing is my kids are toddlers, so we usually always have leftovers, but this also cuts down our time at the grocery store because we know that all we have to get are things for my husband's lunch or my kids' lunch because hashtag back to school is in session. And we just don't have to be overwhelmed at the grocery store anymore. And so I love that. I love Home Chef. So far, we have had it for a long time. I would say going on it. And so I really love it. I really enjoy it. And they send you everything that you need right away. We are cooking this meatloaf and potatoes with the like bell peppers or like vegetables. These peppers are so good, you guys. Like, they're like seasoned with something. Like, I don't know what it is, but it was so good. It was super easy, super quick to make. And I made it in my Ninja Flip. It is the newest Ninja toaster oven. And I really love it so far. It said put it on broil in your oven. And it's really hot here because it's still summertime. So I use my Ninja Flip a lot. It does cut down how much I'm cutting on my oven and heating up the entire house. By using my Ninja Flip, I can just put it in there. And there was a air broil on here, and so it worked really good. This was my very first time trying the air broil, and I was super, super duper impressed with it. And I just love it. It just makes it so much easier for cleanup time as well. So this Ninja Flip is amazing. Like I said, they do give you all of the ingredients, but I do still put in my signature seasonings myself because duh. And I just really love that about it. And of course I have my wine, so cheers to that. It said to put it on a flat baking sheet, like to bake the meatloaf along with the potatoes and the bell peppers, but I thought it would be cuter if I put it in this bread pan. So that's what I did. I did it separately, and it was a lot of potatoes and bell peppers, you guys. Wait till you guys see it. I was highly, like, astonished because I was like, whoa, this did not. Well, but then again, my husband did cut them up, I think, a little bit smaller than what they said. So that probably could be a reason too. But it was definitely a lot of food, and I really appreciate that. This is how everything turned out. This meal was definitely a 10 out of 10. If you guys aren't already, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in another one.